Hello everyone, Peter here, Cat Fistner. Guys, so in today's episode, it's a special edition. So I just want to catch up people who are interested what will be in the following videos. So it's not a regular video. If you don't want to just search it off, you can see the mess that will be slowly going down. Stuff will be replaced, but I'm in the new room. So yeah, job has to be finished because no access to many things. Especially I need to clean up this table because when I fix a TV I've got no place. Parcels came. For those who don't know, Galaxy S5 phone. This doesn't require any gluing. You just literally open it like that and you order the battery, and that's the battery. That's pretty much it. That's all you do. Do we not miss those times where you could swap the battery like that? That's why we need to fight for the right to repair. Yes. By producing fixable devices like these, Samsung Galaxy S5. Because then, what you can do, you can order battery on eBay, replace it yourself. Simple. That's why being with Inteteam means that we can have this chance. Yes, so yay, happy days. bookrepair.online.co.uk. If you want to learn fix electronics, or if you want to join us who fix electronics, let's see what's there. Yes, because eBay came. eBay deliveries. What I don't like is when they are sending parcels, okay, and then these parcels are in a bubble wrap that I can't do like that, and I can't segregate the plastic of the bubble wrap. I mean the bubble wrap I can't segregate like here. You see, that's a nice packaging, because I can put this one to the paper recycling, and this one was left here I can put to the, I think that's a stencil for Joy-Cons for Nintendo Switch. But I've got two Switches and I don't have stencil for the Joy-Cons, so I've ordered, oh, see, that can go to the paper and that can go to the plastic, and that's a stencil, guys. Hello and welcome. So what it does here is NFC BEA BCM4354 Max, 2 Max chips, one is 77620A, 77812, BGE200, looking like a memory, like a RAM memory, to be true. Then it's a CWY20734 blah 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 UAK. So that's switch, that's 0.12 millimeters. That's bad, because I thought I need only 0.5 millimeters balls, so I need to order those balls. We don't have those balls. What can we do? Another from Yodel, Monday to Saturday. Let's do it. So that wasn't to fix something, that was just to increase what I have. And these are two Joy-Cons, guys. So I've got two Joy-Cons. They are cheap as chips. I've paid only $24.99 or something. Super cheap. That's some user manual with them. And that's a USB cable, actually. That's a USB cable. USB A to USB C cable. That's a nice addition to my USB C cable collection. And this is a non-original set of those controllers. Let's get one of the switches, but not light. Let's put the light aside and get even two. Let's take the white one. No, that shouldn't fit, and it doesn't fit. Good, that should fit. Oh, actually, sorry, I'm talking rubbish. That should fit. No. Where is the top on-off button? Here is the on-off button. So this should work like this. This should go in. And it doesn't. Wow. How should I insert it if it doesn't fit? Unbelievable. So you buy a Joy-Con, you see that the power button is here at the top, so you know that's a top. And what you should do? I'm talking rubbish, guys. That's a thing to charge it? That would make sense. Because that's a diode stuff here. That's looking like charge. But is it? Don't know what, but at least now I know. Now I know that I was right. So here is a top, it's a button, and this is the left Joy-Con. It fits like a charm. And then again this one. Oh, this. And we've got a Nintendo Switch with 2 of the Joy-Cons. Lovely. Now I would love to buy more of them because I will need more of them, but I need to first fix at least one to have a need for this. Yes, so yay. So here to let it go release, you've got a button here and that's releasing, otherwise you won't. So it's like a lock, pretty much it's a lock. Okay, and how about the mechanics of this one? That's the right one. Where is the second one? Here. That's this one. Yes, that works as well, and that works as well. Okay, at least I know they are okay. So Joy-Cons came. Good. Switch requires just the digitizer replacement, so that's fine. I've got a digitizer. No time to do it. Let's put this one aside. I'll be tidying up later. And 2 more parcels. Sorry, excuse me. Okay. So look, again, the same bag. I'm happy to see that. It's not full bubble wrap. Oh, that's memory. That's 8 gig of memory. That's a job for a custom. Whoa. That's a paper that I can't segregate, so sorry. Sorry, council. That will go to paper. Unfortunately, I can't segregate it better. That's foil, and that's paper, and that's memory. That's 8 gig PC4 3200 memory upgrade for the laptop I have here. So that's a good thing. And you see here I can segregate. So if you've got a choice of a foil or bubble wrap, you know, do them separate like here. Much better when you send to the customer. It's much easier for me to segregate because our council is asking to segregate plastic from the paper. Okay, if you've got a choice, of course, and if you want to help. And that's the power supply. So this is not something I need urgently. That's a different type of power supply. I don't have this power supply. So let's see what the chip is. What's the controller? LED controller is here. So this was only £7. because I don't have this power supply and it was only £7, I said, well, let me order it. That's 17 IPS 72p. So only one job came to be true. Okay, that's not the chip, or that's, yeah, that is a chip. No. Okay. There are two chips here, which K19014, K19014, K19014. That's not something what we need. K19044. Better. Orthology shoes. K190. K190. So it's rubbish. Doesn't say them. And what about this chip here? You know what? Let's leave it. It's okay. I only want to order each type of power supply from Vestel, because each year there are new models, and I don't have many of them. I got up to 10, and I want to order more and more, just because when customer comes with a faulty TV, I don't want them to wait. And sometimes I might not need that chip as a driver for the LED strip. Yes, I might not need it. I might use my converter to convert power from this power supply to the LED backlight, but I might need some other component. Okay, and if I don't have it, I need to then order, and the customer has to wait, whereas I could fix it quicker. And if I can fix it quicker, customer will be happier. So that's why I need those. If you have any cracked screen Vestel TV like Panasonic, Toshiba, JVC, Polaroid, Bosch, I don't remember any other, but okay, anyway, at least those. If you have it, you can contact me. Down below in the description there are my details. You can contact me and you can tell me which models do you have, or for which TVs do you have from Vestel, or any other actually TV. And if you do repairs, you can put into our database. Then we know who've got what, and we can ask each other for the next day delivery, for instance. Whereas on eBay you can't request next day delivery most of the time, and if so, it costs you like too much. Yes, so so being together means better, and if we can help each other, we can help our customers better. So if we can help our customers better, even if we're just working from home, it's still better. So that's it, guys. That's all I will do. I will literally upgrade the RAM. I will check the laptop, and that's us, to be true. That's us. And I have to wait for more parts to come from eBay and from AliExpress, because I need to work on those switches. But for today, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. That's all the update there is. And if possible, like and subscribe. That's us. See you in the next video. Bye bye.